Guys, yeah, we're going into
Rizal!
okay, good. Sige, we go driving.
Ayan guys. That's Rainbow. So, ito yung daanan.
Okay, half down, guys. We should go pause.
So guys, maghintap muna kami dito kasi may top down. That hindi pala.
Oh my god, this is literally not good, guys. We go slowing.
Slow.
Slow mo.
Slow lang. Yes. Guys, ito yung daanan dito. Kagubatan.
So dark. It's so dark. Nature.
Nature. That's guys. Nature trip. You want?
It's literally dark.
Yeah. So yan guys, nakalabas na kami sa delikadong parte. Ayan naman ang mga saging. It's banana. Banana land they call. And that's the
Oh
mountain.
my god, that's the end of the rainbow.
Oh. Diyan pala yung end. Okay.
In the mountain,
In
babe.
the mountain.
It's so cute. You should,
Yeah.
you should zoom in.
I want, but it's literally hard.
Look at the mountain. It's literally really, really, real big.
Yeah.
It's so
Yung yung rainbow na doon. Ganda.
yeah, we should go there
Yeah.
someday.
Someday. Not now.
Yeah.
Because we have a lot of,
We're going back to school.
yeah.
Bim, bim. Well, we'll be going to school tomorrow, guys.
Yes. I hope will be better. For the better future, guys. So guys, that's the way. It's really,
This is our trip for the last day.
yeah.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
We're just gonna transition over to the Rizal now. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Baka mag-1 man.
Here we are, guys. Here we are. Here we are at the province. Pim pim. It's like swaying, swinging, swinging, swinging. Hi, Tiger. How are you, Tiger? You're okay here? Yes, you are. We're gonna go now. Come on. We're gonna go na. Hey guys. Kami aayos ngayon. Kami aayos ngayon ng shower curtain. Yes. We put it here, guys.
Yes.
Bakit mo ginuguyod, Tempi? You see this? This is the one. Yeah. You'll see.
Yes.
Here you go. You can literally see na. Come here. You gunting it. You gunting para hindi masira. Bad ka. Okay, guntingin na natin, guys. Wait a minute, guys. So, ayan na siya.
I-kuan natin ba kung
Katapos magunting ganito.
i-sukat natin ba? Kuan mo daw dyan. Asa?
Here you go, guys. Pim Pim. Hi. Yeah, yes. See that. Ito mo na. Ah, ito. Like, bigot. Yan. Shower curtain, tapos ilagay daw dyan. Ayun na. Yan na. Sorry. Sino gamit ito? Hindi na ako dyan. May pantala siya. Oh, sunod siya dito. Huwag lagyan. Tapos buhitin na. Paano ba? Ito yung alisin. Alam mo? Alisin na naman. Ayun, ready. Huwag mo natin damit. Kapag may bago madala ako dito. Dito na. Meron tayong mga shower curtain. Okay, so ito. Go outside. Promoting my baby bear bag. Yes, children's baby bear. Just what I said it. One. Yeah. Hoy! Ay, wala mo pen. Teka. May isa ka. Hoy! Magpabalik ko ng malisi. Hindi na din ako this one. Wait lang. Sa kawan lang. Mga kapeng pandan kasi. Ilagay daw mo. Ito yung nalik. Wakan mo kasi mo. This is so bad. Oh, hey, tayo ko. Oh, ini udah bad kasi. Ikit ka na sa loob kasi. Apa lang ito? Putang ko na. Ito mo dito. Ayan na. Yes, udah. So yeah, here we at the province. You see so many plants here, and you can see this. This is a silly dog, and this is Pem Pem. Hi, Pempy.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm putting this.
Yeah. So we're here. It's so like very cloudy. Yeah, and it's very windy here. So cold. Yeah. You see that, guys? There's a rainbow.
Wow, rainbow!
Look at that. There's a rainbow. Where at the end?
Parang si Lord yan. Wow! Saan tagal?
Moana.
Ganun siya.
So here's na, guys, ang ginawa namin yun. Pim Pim, guys.
Pwede rin yung isa, dalawa dyan. Hindi ko nalagyan mo, no? May yung pan ng sen.
Tapos na rin. I look so fragile. So what do I do? What can...
Wow!
Yeah, guys. You go there na.
Wow, rainbow!
So what are we gonna do na? So guys,
Here comes.
look at sa papaya.
It's papaya. And isa na lang yung bunga niya. Iwan ko ba? Nagawa niya nila.
Oh, it's kind of satisfying. Why is it so like, no? Oh, you see that? I'm strong. So, here is, what is that?
That is, yan yung ginagawa nilang buto para makatanim ulit.
Seed. So it's a seed for sitaw.
Yeah.
For a what?
This is sitaw. Yang ibilad nila ito para
I-dry nila in the sun.
Oh.
Okay, then.
Then after nyan, balatan nila, then yan.
Itanim.
Ito, ayun.
They plant it.
Ito yung buto niya. Oh. Yan. Tanim nila yan.
Think? Exploring in the sitaw farm. So, would you look at that? It's all dried up.
Dried up. Tapos ito, yan yung mga bago.
That's the spring one?
Yes. Wait a minute. Fuck.
Pak. Look at that.
Ito guys, durian.
Yeah, it's durian. We going na. Why is it dried up here, Pempy? because yan yung nakaraang tanim. So, naging ganyan na siya.
And that's the new
Yes.
spring, offspring,
Yes.
something like that. Here's Pempem. So how do you get a
Ganyan ko
Peas.
ng gulay, oh. Iikot mo siya. Yan.
so yeah, we're collecting.
So, kung ganito na guys, ganito na siya kahinag din yung pwede. Depende na lang sa inyo kung pwede.
So next one is there. It's kind of windy here. Oh, the rainbow is not here now.
Yan siya guys.
Come here. Look at the wonders. Look up there.
Wow, so nice. That's rainbow guys.
So what is this? What is gold?
That's is sitaw.
Yeah, it's but the bar dried up there. And how about this?
That's fresh sitaw.
So this is
Yes.
how do you grow it? What do you put in here?
Like any medicine so they go fast. They grow so fast. Then, ginaakan din nila, ginabuhusan nila ng tubig like that.
So like that?
No, that,
Like that?
that, yes.
The root.
Yes. Hindi talaga yun maiiwasan. There guys, may tao dun sa taas. Sigakuha ayun sila guys, oh. Gakuha ng rambutan.
Go inside. This is how we eat rambutan. You twist it like that, okay? See that monkey over there? It's an orange monkey.
Orange monkey.
Should eat too. You should eat na.
Ayan guys, ganito siya i-open.
You should go first. Right? Ano yan?
Parang watermelon. So guys, we're home na. Hindi na kami nakabidyo kanina kasi na busy. So yan, bye-bye. Magligo pa ako.